Hey everyone, TechCommentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone 15 Pro Max screen. As you can see, if I lock my phone here, it dims, but it doesn't turn off, still stays on. So if you wanted to completely turn it off or make it completely black, once you lock it, this is the steps you want to follow. So let's go ahead and unlock my phone here. The first thing you're going to do is go into your setting on your iPhone and then scroll down to display and brightness, and then scroll a little bit down. There's a feature called always on display. Basically, it will dim the lock screen whenever you lock it if you have this setting turned on. So if you turn that setting off, it will go ahead and turn off the screen once I lock it like that. As you can see here, the screen is turned off. So if you wanted that turn off just like that, you can do that as well. And if you wanted to just completely, of course, turn off your phone, you can always go into your settings, general, scroll down to shut down, and then slide to power off. There's going to be another thing as well. So go ahead and turn that always off display. It'll go ahead and turn off the display on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.